So today we are looking at LTX 2.3 motion transfer on Floyo. So what this workflow basically does is it takes a reference image or a reference character, and it also takes a reference video, and then the motion of the reference video is transferred on to your character. So let's go and have a look at the workflow. So this is basically how the workflow looks. It is just a plain and simple workflow. So this is basically where you upload your input character. So this is the load image node. So in my case I've uploaded a panda, and this is the load video node where you'll give your reference video, which will be taken as the one which will provide motion to your character. So these are basically the two nodes that are required for you to input your characters and the reference video. And then this node in the middle is where all the tasks happen. If we go into this subgraph and enter, so this is basically where all the processing takes place, the motion capture and the reference character taking the motion of the video. So this is basically where all that thing is happening. And here you can see, here this is the prompt box, so the prompt node, so you can kind of just enter your prompt in here. So in my case it is a panda dancing, and you can also give the prompt here also, like here I have given a panda is dancing, and then you can go on adjusting with the length, width and height. So these are the default settings which I have set for the workflow, and these settings works great. And then you'll have to just click on the run button, and then all the processing and everything takes place. And as you can see, here are the two nodes. This is a comparison side by side node. This is basically, you can see how the character has been taken from the reference video, and this is the final output which you will be getting in the video combine node. So again, we are looking at LTX 2.3 motion transfer on Floyo. There are many verified to run workflows on our platform, so you can just go and check out those workflows.